To draw that little pencil bin, I'm going to go to first click on our actor Susan or Helen, get rid of her, and I'm going to switch to a top view. Movie clicker, top view, close that window down, and then zoom in the corner. It's going to be a rectangle of 12 inches by 6 inches by 12 by 6. Zoom in some more. There's a front, a left, a right, and a back. Setting it up so the seam will be in the back. So I have to have a 1.5-inch tab, and then a 3-inch tab, 3-inch tab, 3-inch tab, 3-inch tab, and this is the 1.5 inch ready to go. I'm going to make some little slices in here, 3 slices, and it keeps the metal intact on the top, near the middle, and on the bottom. I want a 1/2 inch of metal uncut on the top edge, 1/2 inch on the bottom edge. The middle I'm going to kind of guess. I'm going to guess 1.25 inches, and then 1.25 inches with 1 space, 1/4, and then a 1/2 inch up, and then a 1/2 inch up. I'm going to draw my lines from this point to that point, skip that zone, draw this line, skip that zone, and then draw this point. Now I have, and then skip that zone, there it is. So when the cutter cuts, it's going to slice, leave it, slice, leave it, slice, leave it. Got them all done. I'm going to erase off my guidelines. And erase off guidelines. Those will all go away now. To make this cut fold easier, I'm going to add a small little relief cut on top. I'm going to cut a little circle up top. So I fold the metal, it'll fold and not crinkle so bad. Now I'm going to use a circle tool. I'm going to put the center on the end point. Click, and I want to go about 1/16 of an inch. All lines, top and bottom, that same 1/16 of an inch circle. So click, watch my radius, 1/16, click it. So I'm going to do all those, 1/16 of an inch. All right, so they're all done. Now I have to kind of clean up these circles. I'm going to zoom in, erase these little tabs on all the spots. And those are all done. Next comes the floor of this little operation. So the floor is going to be a square. It's a square tool. I'm just going to drop it here and type in 2 15/16, comma 2 15/16. That's wrong, isn't it? Try it again. Square. Oh, hold on. Square tool. Why is it doing that? Pencil tool. There we go. 2 15/16, comma 2 15/16. Ah, come on. 2 15/16. There we go. 2 15/16. 15/16, and then close that off. Got it. Then the little puzzle pieces on it, I'm going to make those 1/8 of an inch tall, 1/8 of an inch tall, 1/8 of an inch tall. Oops, too far. 1/8 of an inch tall, and they're going to all be the same width. They happen to be 3/4 of an inch in from the ends. So 3/4 of an inch in from the ends. And I'm going to draw those by drawing like a dot to dot. I'm just going to go up, over, and down, all four sides. There they are. I erased all the parts I don't need. Here's my floor. Now these tabs I got to plug into spots on the shell. Those I'm going to throw upward. Let's go 3/8 of an inch. And let's make this little opening 1/8 of an inch. And then the math on this is 3/4 of an inch. So 3/4 in, and then here 3/4 in, and 3/4 in, all spots. So mark them all 3/4 of an inch in, all of these. And then the last step, hold on, ow, can't talk and them all at the same time. The last step is to 3/4 in. Got it. I'm going to draw a rectangle. This should work. I don't know why it's not working. There it is. From corner to corner, from corner to corner, from corner to edge, from edge to corner. Erase off my guidelines. Erase off the guidelines. And then the last step is going to be to remove that little chunk and that little chunk. The drawing is done.